In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move an Asana project to another team. The correct workaround. Asana doesn't currently let you move a project directly from one team to another, but there's a reliable workaround that achieves the same result while keeping your content organized and accessible. I'll walk you through it step by step and share a few tips to make the transition smooth. First, open the project you want to move. In Asana, head to your Projects section and select the project. Make sure you have the right permissions to duplicate and share it. If you're not the project owner, you may need someone with higher access to do this for you. Next, duplicate the project. Click the small arrow next to the project name at the top to open the Project Actions menu and choose Duplicate. This creates a fresh copy that you can prepare for the target team without altering the original. When the duplicate window opens, review the options carefully before creating it. Decide which elements to copy over, such as task descriptions, assignees, due dates, subtasks, custom fields, and dependencies, depending on how closely you need to mirror the original. This is also a good moment to update the project name so it clearly reflects the new team's context. Once everything looks right, click Create Project and let Asana generate the duplicate. If it's a large project, give it a moment to finish. Now, share the duplicate with the new team. Open the duplicated project and click Share. Add the members from the target team and set their access level based on how they'll work in the project. For example, use Can Edit for collaborators who will manage tasks, or Comment Only for stakeholders who just need visibility. Confirm that everyone who needs access is included, and remove any legacy collaborators who no longer need it to keep permissions clean. Finally, decide what to do with the original project. If it's no longer needed in the old team, archive it to preserve a read-only record without cluttering active views. If you're absolutely sure it's not needed, you can delete it, but be cautious. Deletion is permanent. Many teams prefer archiving first and deleting later after a short transition period. And that's it. Because Asana doesn't currently allow moving projects between teams, duplicating and sharing is the correct and supported workaround. This approach keeps your project structure intact, gives the right people access, and helps you maintain a clear history.